Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparking Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about Captype withdrawal, how to withdraw from Captype. Is Captype real or fake? If you have been solving endless captcha on this platform or performing different tasks on this platform with the hope of earning money and withdrawing on this platform, and you don't really know and understand if this platform is actually real or fake, then this video tutorial is going to reveal to you guys every single thing you need to know and understand about this very platform known as Captype. There are some red flags about this platform and nobody is talking about them, and in this video tutorial I am going to be revealing and exposing all that without any compromise. All you need to do is to calm yourself down, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because by the end of this video you are going to find out the real truth behind this platform known as Captype. So this video tutorial will reveal all that to you. Okay, so before we proceed, if you are coming across my channel for the first time or you are hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Paki, and what I do here on my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas, and updates on daily basis here on my channel. So if you are new, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified whenever I release new updates here on my channel. And then if you enjoy videos like this and you want more updates, you can check the link in the comment section of this video below to join my WhatsApp group. So let's get started. But before we start, I would love to lay a disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice or guarantee any result. So therefore, you are always advised to make your own research and verify the authenticity of any platform before using them. So let's start. So talking about Captype withdrawal. How can you withdraw from Captype? To withdraw from Captype, first, the platform requires that you must have referred at least enough friends and also reach the minimum withdrawal. For they put this as mandatory. It is one of the requirements. You must invite friends before you can be able to attempt withdrawal. To withdraw, click on withdraw funds. So when you click on withdraw funds, it is going to bring you to the portal. Then they tell you that withdrawal are processed on the 5th, 10th, 15th, and 20th, 28th, and 30th of each month. So they say that ensure you meet the minimum capture and referral earnings required before proceeding. Simply means you must invite friends and family before you can withdraw. Then they have different payout gateway, mobile wallet, they have global eWallet, they have cryptocurrency, they also have bank transfer. So that means you can decide to select any of them, any of your preferred withdrawing choice, then you withdraw. Now it's not all about withdrawing. Now if you withdraw, will you get paid? That is the question, and that brings to us to the reality of this platform, if they are real or fake, if it is legit or scam. Okay, now when you withdraw, it may show you successful, but you will not get paid. That is the truth. Okay, now according to my research and investigation, as the time I was making this video, no one has reportedly cashed out successfully from this platform known as Captype. All this platform does is using their member as means of traffic to their smart link ad network or ad monetization to generate impression and little revenue for themselves. And then at the end, they don't pay their users. So these are the things you need to know and understand about this very platform. Before I proceed further, I don't know if any of you watching this video can recall Extra Box. If you are watching this video and you know about Extra Box, then this is another Extra Box. So this platform is owned by the same people who developed Extra Box, using it as source of traffic from people. They use their users as source of traffic. So this is what they do. Now when you try solving captcha on this platform, you will see that advertisement always display immediately you click on submit. So it will automatically redirect you to relevant ads pages. Now that is to show you that this platform is monetized with what we call smart link monetization ad type. All right, now that smart link is what redirects you to relevant ad pages. But the question will be asking, since I said that the platform is not paying, you will be asking, but you said they're monetized. Yes, they are monetized, but they are only using it for their own self gain and not for the people. Do you understand? So this platform here known as Captype is owned by Extrabox. They frame this one as Canada capture solving any site, but it is fake. So this site here is owned by Nigerian bloggers. They only developed this site for the purpose of generating ad impression and revenue for them own use and not for the use of the people. So if you have been solving this captcha on this platform with the hope of any money, making money, I am sorry to tell you guys that this platform is fake. It is not real. They don't pay users according to my investigation, research, test, and usage as the time I was making this video. So this platform has been confirmed fake. So if you have been performing endless tasks, I am sorry to tell you guys that this platform is fake. So that is just the gospel truth you need to know about this very platform. And that's why I'm always telling my viewers to always make research before using any platform. Because if you don't make research, at the end of the day, you may end up wasting your time, your data, your energy, your effort, your time. So that's why you should always make research before using any platform. So in conclusion, as the time I was making this video, this platform known as Captype has been confirmed a fake earning platform and does not pay users. So therefore, if you are hoping of any money on this platform, I am sorry, this platform has been confirmed fake according to my research and investigation. So therefore, be guided. Don't forget, there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with friends and family so that they will get to know the real truth behind this platform. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you and remain sparky.